10 strange and mind-blowing nature facts. 1. Strange but true, there are 12 times more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Scientists estimate there are between 200–400 billion stars in our galaxy, while there are an estimated 1 trillion trees on Earth. 2. There was a time when 4 distinct human species lived at the same time. After carefully studying hominin fossils found in Kenya, Ethiopia and Chad, German scientists have concluded that 4 distinct human species coexisted at the same time about 3 million years ago. 3. Cows kill more people than sharks. Sharks kill an average of 5 people per year, while cows kill an average of 22 people per year. 4. It's unlikely that anyone could die in quicksand. If someone does die in quicksand, it usually occurs in tidal basins. 5. You can fit all of the planets in the Milky Way between the Earth and Moon with a little space left over. If you don't believe me, Terry's a nifty graphic in this article that shows how they all fit. 6. Lobsters don't die of old age. The explanation is long and very scientifically technical. 7. There was a time when there was no bacteria that would decompose a tree. The trees that existed 300 million years ago do not resemble the trees we have on Earth now. 8. Pineapples take 2 years to grow. If planted from a sucker, a pineapple will take about 18 months to bloom, but if you plant the top of the pineapple, it will take 2 to 12 years to produce a bloom. 9. About 1 million people die every year from mosquito bites. Malaria is the cause of most deaths. 10. Pluto hasn't made a full orbit around the Sun since it was discovered in 1930. This means that Pluto will make its first full orbit since 1930 on March 23, 2178.